Hello YouTube. It is Burbazooka. 7 sure signs of a weakened immune system, doctors named them. Our main protector and guardian of wellness is immunity. It is this defense system that never sleeps, repelling attacks of viruses and bacteria around the clock and maintaining the constancy of the internal environment of the body. And how much we are susceptible to diseases and how quickly we can recover depends on its strength and resilience. The immune system. But this shield can give weakness. There are many reasons for this: stress, unhealthy diet, bad habits, etc., but this is not about that now. Therapeutic Natalia Domenko spoke about the sure signs of a malfunction in the immune system, which are a good reason to consult a doctor and pay more attention to your lifestyle. You often catch colds and get sick for a long time. Normally, each of us suffers from RV, among the people, a cold, about 1 to 3 times a year, children, about 4-5 times. In this case, recovery occurs within 3-7 days, it all depends on the complexity of the symptoms. However, if you get sick more often and much longer, the symptoms do not subside after a couple of days, but only after a week at least, and recovery occurs only after 1.5 to 2, while in addition to the standard threaded throat, runny nose and coughing, you develop complications in the form of bronchitis, sinusitis, etc. This may already be a symptom of immunodeficiency states. Therefore, do not hesitate to contact a general practitioner or a family doctor, and possibly an immunologist. Wounds heal for a long time. In addition to long-term recovery from colds, a person with a weakened immune system also has various abrasions, cuts and other injuries for a long time. In this case, the affected areas can remain inflamed for a long time and cause significant discomfort. This happens when nutrient-rich blood is slowly or in insufficient quantities arriving at the injured area, which is necessary to restore the affected cells. Having problems with digestion. Frequent diarrhea, bloating, constipation, nausea and other unpleasant symptoms from the digestive system can also be a reason to think about the state of the immune system. Numerous studies have confirmed the link between immune disorders and gastrointestinal problems. So, experts believe that this is due to a change in the number of T cells, which are part of the lymphatic system and play an important role in the functioning of the immune system. Excessive irritability. It is a well-known fact that stress negatively affects the state of the immune system. However, there is also a feedback: with reduced immunity, susceptibility to stress becomes higher, so a patient with a reduced function becomes more irritable, emotional and susceptible. Constant weakness and drowsiness. It's natural to feel overwhelmed if you haven't gotten enough sleep. However, this situation after a good rest should also alert. The fact is that this may indicate that the immune system is weakened and is working in an overload mode, drawing off the body's energy reserves. Irresistible craving for sweets. An irrepressible desire to eat or drink sweets also warns that not everything is in order with the immune system. Yes, this can mean an acute shortage of certain vital substances, in particular, magnesium, chromium, phosphorus and some vitamins, which leads to unusual gastronomic desires. Wrinkles or rashes appear. As you know, the skin is our largest organ, and it is she who can more than others feel the negative processes in the body. So, it often reacts to failures in the immune system with rashes, peeling, dulling and fine wrinkles, especially in the area of active facial expressions. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.